Kantanka Omama versus Innoson vehicle manufacturing Granite. And this video is about a comprehensive comparison between the two cars. Now, the African automotive industry has witnessed significant growth in recent years, with several local manufacturers emerging to cater to the growing demand for vehicles. And two such manufacturers, which is the Kantanka from Ghana and the Innoson vehicle manufacturing from Nigeria, have gained popularity for their flagship models, which are the Kantanka Omama and the IVM Granite. In this particular video, I'm going to provide a comprehensive comparison of these two vehicles, highlighting their design, features, performance, pricing, value, among others. If something like this is what is in your interest, don't forget to click on the subscribe button to be part of this amazing family, and like the video as well. So let's dive in. If you know about Kantanka Automobiles, Kantanka Automobiles was founded by Apostle Kojo Kantanka, and this is a Ghanaian company that has become synonymous with technological innovation. The Kantanka Omama, one of its standout models, embodies the company's commitment to creating vehicles tailored to the needs of African consumers, and with a focus on affordability, durability, and fuel efficiency. The Omama has gained a loyal following in Ghana and beyond. Innoson vehicle manufacturing, on the other side, is led by Innoson Chukwuma, which is Nigeria's first indigenous car manufacturer. The IVM Granite, a rugged and versatile SUV, reflects the company's vision of producing vehicles that cater to the diverse terrains and lifestyles of African drivers. Known for its robust performance and off-road capabilities, the Granite has become a symbol of Nigerian ingenuity and self-reliance. Now, in terms of design and features, the Kantanka Omama boasts a sleek and modern design with LED highlights and a bold grille that gives it a distinctive look. The vehicle's exterior is complemented by a range of advanced features, including a touchscreen infotainment system, rear-view camera, and alloy wheels. In contrast, the IVM Granite has a more rugged and angular design with a focus on functionality over form. While it may not be as visually appealing as the Kantanka Omama, the IVM Granite's design is well suited for off-road driving and harsh weather conditions. In terms of interior features, the Kantanka Omama offers a range of comfort and convenience features, including air conditioning, power windows, and a premium audio system. The IVM Granite, on the other hand, has a more basic interior, but still offers essential features like air conditioning and power windows. In terms of performance and reliability, the Kantanka Omama is powered by a 2.5L engine that produces 177 horsepower, giving it a slight edge over the IVM Granite 2.8L engine, which produces 148 horsepower. However, the IVM Granite transmission and suspension system are designed for rough terrain and harsh weather conditions, making it a more reliable option for off-road driving. But in terms of reliability, both vehicles have their strengths and weaknesses. The Kantanka Omama has a reputation for being well built and durable. The IVM Granite, on the other hand, has a reputation for being rugged and reliable, with some owners reporting high mileage without major issues. In terms of pricing and value, what I can say is that the best place to get the latest prices of these vehicles is on the official website of these companies. But both vehicles offer good value for money, and the IVM Granite may be a better option for those who prioritize durability and reliability. The Kantanka Omama's advanced features and modern design make it a more appealing option for those who value comfort and convenience. To move on with the comparison, the Kantanka Omama is positioned as a luxury SUV with spiritual branding, while the IVM Granite is marketed as a practical and affordable workhouse. The Kantanka Omama's exterior design is bold with a Range Rover SQ front grille and LED lights. The IVM Granite, on the other hand, has a more understated design with a focus on utility over luxury. In terms of interior features, the Kantanka Omama offers a premium experience with plush leather seats, wood trim, and a high-tech dashboard. The IVM Granite has a more basic interior, but still offers essential features like air conditioning and power windows. When it comes to performance, the Kantanka Omama has a 3.0 LVG engine with around 250 HP, while the IVM Granite has a 2.5L turbo diesel engine with better fuel efficiency. The Kantanka Omama's 4WD system comes with divan protection, a marketing gimmick that may appeal to some buyers. Now, in conclusion, the Kantanka Omama and IVM Granite are both solid options for those in the market for a new vehicle, while the Kantanka Omama's modern design and advanced features make it a more appealing option. The IVM Granite's ruggedness and reliability make it a better choice for those who prioritize durability. My name is Manuel Clever. Thank you for watching me at the end of this particular video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button to be part of this amazing family, and don't forget to hit on the like button, and I'll see you in my next video.